Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to create a country picker in Flutter. So let's see a demo first. Okay, you can see a button here. When you click on button, you can see a list of countries with a search box. When you click on the country, you can see the country name. First, let's insert the package from pub.dev website. Copy the package and insert it in pubspec.yaml file. Click on pub-get to get the package in our project. Once it's done, go to the home page. Inside the body widget, create a button. So let's save it. You can see the button at the top. Let's center it. Let's change the background color of button. Run it to see the changes. So in onPress function, let's call the showCountryPicker function here. We need to pass the context, and the showCountryPicker has a function called onSelect. In onSelect, we have a parameter to return the country. So inside the onSelect function, we can show the country in stack bar. So let's run it. Click on select country. See the list of countries. When we click on one country, you can see the name of country here. So this function has some properties that we want to use. First, show phone code to true. By default it's false. And show search. By default it's true. Let's false it. Save it. Click on select country and see, you don't see the search box here and you see the phone code here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more incoming videos.